Welcome back. This is going to be a quick one. We're going to touch on traffic patterns and corridors. Understanding these will help you with see and avoid and yield right of way if it ever came down to that. Let's hope not. The remote pilot in command must be aware of all traffic patterns and corridors to runways and landing areas. All right, some key points that the FAA wants you to understand and learn. I know this seems like common sense, but we need to touch upon it anyhow. Avoid operating anywhere that may interfere with operations at the airport, including approach corridors, taxiways, runways, helipads. Practice see and avoid, and if you have to, yield right of way. A particularly important side note. When operating in controlled airspace, you are required to have a certificate of waiver. There is one exception though. You can operate your SUAS within the surface Class E airspace, not within the lateral boundaries of an airport. Take a look at this graphic here. Notice some of the terminology and how the planes are landing, or taking off for that matter. We have crosswind leg, downwind leg, the base leg, final approach, and departure. This is a left turn approach. If it was a right turn approach, it would go the other direction, and on a VFR sectional chart, it would be listed as RP.